Once there was a good old boy who set his heart on fire for the girl who lived next door on the county line. She didn't have anybody, but he knew he couldn't waste any time. So he hopped up aboard a big old southern bound and he took it on down the line. But if he missed his A train, if his ship had sailed, if all of his pickup lines let her down in his begging and pleading field, if he lets his A train slip on down the track, his heart will be derailed. No matter whose cab he hailed, if he missed his A train. Once there was a good old boy, and boy could that cat play. He grew up picking that old guitar up every night and every day. He didn't have any money, so he knew he couldn't waste any time. So he hopped up aboard a big old southern bound with a Tennessee state of mind. But if he missed his A train, if his ship had sailed, if Nashville snubs his nose at his pros, or Memphis just returns his mail, if he lets his A train slip on down the track, his heart'll be derailed. No matter whose charts he scaled, if he missed his A train. Well, you can say that good old boy, he still gets around. But you can say that old bottle chain packed up, moved out of town. He's still the same good old boy that he used to be. The fortune and fame haven't changed him at all, and when they love him, he agrees. If it missed his A train, if his ship has sailed, if he never had asked her to be his wife, then she'd have never have been unveiled as a greasy, nasty, blind, cheating bitch that she was. And if they never had a chance to share all the love of a good old boy's heart on fire, and boy, that'd be a shame. I said, man, what a shame. You know, Lord, that'd be a shame. He missed his A train.